Where we going? Yeah, beside it. How about you?
Who was that? I don't know them. Who was that?
Where? Hey man, what do you want? Hey. I'm about to sign my life away. Brian, how do you feel signing your life away?
If I drown in the air like this.
I want to shake hands with the lifeguards, bro. Jump, Brian!
This is funny, huh?
We have it on recording, so yeah.
So it looks like he's about to die. He's about to pass out. What do you think? How long do you think it's gonna take him to go?
Another like 20 seconds.
How about you? How was that?
It was so good.
Yeah, have fun?
Yeah.
Keep those when you turn the light that's back.
How was that? What do you think?
It's a workout, bro.
I'm sorry,
2024 workouts in the morning.
That very game, bro. What are you doing, bro?
I gotta brush my hair. You don't. Are we rolling?
What do you call a chicken with two fingers? Chicken tender, bro.
Is that actually a joke or did you just say that?
Hey.
I was like, I don't think there's any answer.
Man, look at the duck.
Smile. The whole duck market in India.
Yeah.
So we're going to kidnap the duck.
How much will you pay for that duck?
For that duck? Cool 2 bands, bro, for that duck.
How much will you resell that?
You resell the duck? 2,500. A 500 piece goes to my pocket.
On the black market?
On the black market, bro.
What you got?
One of your fries. I
No, what you got for food?
got quesadilla.
I thought, what you got?
I got a quesadilla.
Yeah. Why y'all got the same thing?
Why did you guys get the same thing, bro?
I didn't ask you, bro. What did you?
I got a pizza sandwich.
Bro, we got robbed. That is not pizza, bro. Pizza.
Got robbed. It is not pizza. Have you ever seen a pizza like this? Shit, I'm African, so I've never seen one. That's okay, though. Ah, Abogi. That is not your play, bro.
Oh yeah, there's wild animals. It's a donkey. I don't know where we want to go.
Your ancestors, look at that. That's what they came on.
That is none of my business.
That's what they rode on from Liberia, bro.
Zero business. Now let's go.
He doesn't like this.
That's my cue. Come out.
I think it's time to go, girls.
It's a little.
It was good.
It's an oversized dog, y'all. 2024. We're not breeding dogs no more. We're breeding mules, bro. He's stealing pizza. Look at him. He's stealing pizza. Hey. Hey.
Oh, he is.
Stealing the pizza.
That's Brian in his next life.
Huh.
Literally.
Stealing food.
Stealing pizza. Feeding him pineapples. Taking care of him. But this guy's stealing. In this life, be this guy over here and don't be this guy.
Let's go, bro.
Aboki and his flock. We're like right now and then.
Mr. Easy himself.
Life is easy.